So looking at here is a Avant steam cleaner. High pressure steam cleaner. 150 degrees it's got on that thermostat there, it'll go up to and so on. Yeah. So people have been buying machines like this, different makes and so on. Steam cleaner. Absolute waste of time and a waste of money. What you simply got there is this regulator that turns the pressure down. Fantastic. Yeah, it'll end up to 150 degrees by turning the thermostat full up, but at that stage you've got no pressure. Yeah, you might have 150 degrees steam. These were used once upon a time. We used to use them for de-waxing cars years and years ago when cars come in from abroad, covered in wax. And we used to use paraffin on there to de-wax the cars. Absolutely fantastic. It took no time to do it. But people are buying. People have bought these thinking they can do steam cleaning. Yeah. So when you turn that, what simply happens is you're lowering the pressure, so it will get hotter. So less water's going through the boiler. It then gets hotter. It'll then get up on the temperature a lot hotter still. So by turning, you get lower water volume going through the boiler. It gets hotter and hotter. But at that stage, what you're doing is dropping the pressure down and down and down. No good to anybody. Like I say, the only time used to upon a time, now they wrap the cars to protect them. They don't bother with the worrying about fallout anymore. Thank you very much. Q Services, Q Washers, eBay and YouTube. Avant, great machines for other jobs. Absolutely fantastic. One of the best in the marketplace. But for doing steam cleaning, high pressure, will not do your job. Thank you. Too many people coming up when they won't do the jobs. Thank you.